Hello, in this video I'll be showing you how to install a PSU like this, power supply unit, in my case actually. First thing, we're gonna determine which way our fan is gonna head. Mine is gonna turn down because I got holes here and there's a filter so that just doesn't get dust into my cabinet and into my PSU, and yeah, it's made for being like this. So we are just gonna put it in like this, very gently, like that. We're gonna grab our screws. And we're gonna find that hole. Turn it like that. We got one there. You know, like that. And just and hold on. And yeah. And the last one. Like that. Yep. Now to get a bit of wiring, I'm gonna put every single wire back here on the back panel. This one big wire, we are gonna use our main connector, 24 pins plus, or is it? It's 20 pins plus 4. Yep. And we are gonna just plug it in like this. This one is in away from the motherboard, like this, and gently click it down. Click, and that's it. You can have the wire like that. It doesn't do anything. You can use a way to, yeah, sure. And take our we get a 2 6-pins with 2 pins connectors to add. We're gonna use our guess we're gonna use our 8. No. Yeah, yeah. So we're using our 8-pin first. Like this, and just click it in like that. This one is only a 6-pin, so I'm just gonna use only one of those. Like that. It's stuck. Perfect. It's just gonna be there. Yep. And then yep. And then we got a CPU connector, I think. Yeah, CPU. And that is going up here somewhere. I'm taking it from here, unfortunately. All the way here. We're first gonna connect it like this, click, and we're gonna put down the wire to avoid messiness. Then we got a few, we got our Molix 4-pin and a few SATA power connectors. The SATA we are gonna put straight in here. We're gonna put our hard drives here and a SSD here, so that's just fine. It's in here. And our Molix we can use to connect a fan or whatever needs a Molix, or you can get a transformer for use at graphics cards. So that's the opportunities. Yeah. And that's pretty much it. Yes, thanks for watching. Bye.